Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. In the beginning, go to More section in Camera. Then tap this button right here and enter Feature Layout. Now to add more features to your start screen, tap and hold on one and drag it up. To remove some features from start screen, do the same thing. Now, to save, tap this button. And as you can see, modes in your start screen has changed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.